Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, maybe you're not doing Thanksgiving with the family. Maybe you're doing like a Friendsgiving type of thing there. So I figured I would just do a makeup tutorial that I guess you could wear to both. But, this one's a little bit more for, like not just for your living room with your mom, dad, everyone else you've been doing it with for the last however many years. So let's see what we come up with and let's go. So I just got this in the mail from Profusion Cosmetics. It's their mini emerald shadow quad. This is what it looks like. I'm intrigued by these two colors right here, so we're gonna build something off of this. I'm gonna start with this color though here as like a kind of transition-y shade, and really just put that, make sure you can see this, put that right here. I'm gonna switch over to the Prism palette for this brown, but now looking at the palette, I realize I probably could have just done the entire look with it, but I'm gonna still use the Profusion one and place that right here. So I'm gonna take this shade from the Profusion palette and place that right here. Oh, can you see that? My bad, y'all. And then this green shade right next to it. And I'm just gonna pat that down first before I start blending it out. And then the black from the Prism palette. Pretty sure I have too much sauce on my brush there. And by sauce, I mean shadow. The shimmer shade that I used from here was irking me because it looks goldish in the pan, not so much on the eye, and on the eye it's kind of like that shimmer that just kind of like goes everywhere. So I'm gonna take this shade. So I've taken this shade from the Prism palette and I'm just using my finger to apply that on top. Today I'm feeling very both Farsali primers-ish. I'm gonna use Skin Tune in my T-zone. Then Liquid Glass. For concealer, this is the Too Faced, multi-use sculpting concealer in Chestnut. Like nothing ever changes with my base routine, so it's like redundant to do it on camera, but whenever I don't do it, people are like, you should have done your base makeup too, so here we are. Good old NYX Born to Glow for foundation. I'm pretty sure I don't go a day without wearing this foundation whenever I wear makeup, unless, I am in the middle of filming 12 Days of Foundation Hunt. I'm gonna bake with both La Mer and Fenty today. The Uoma Beauty stick to contour. Oh, this is in Double Take 3. I settled on this one that's also from Laura Mercier. This is in the shade Cur Royal. I guess we're going a little dark. It is fall season, so why not? All right, let's see what this NYX Push Up in Seduction is giving us. I can't remember if this is the one that I said reminded me of like brunch, but okay, let me throw some French Maid in there too. Y'all know I just keep going until I get a lip color that I like. And let me throw this Mented gloss on top. Okay, we've ended up here after I threw this shade After Hours all over it. I think I'll leave it alone. Don't be surprised if I come back with a completely different lip color because I'm not sure if I like this. So I didn't add anything else. I actually took off the first 3 layers of product that I had on my lips, so that my lips were just kind of stained, and then I put the lip gloss back over it because I feel like that's what was throwing it off for me. Like it was just too many layers on. But yeah, that is it for the look. It's giving me real Thanksgiving with a friend, Thanksgiving with whoever you want it to be with their type look. And yeah, that is it for this makeup look. Now for my announcement, which I'm actually really nervous about, but here we go. So Twitter's always telling me that I should turn the phrase that I say all the time, "you won't beat my ass," into merch. And one day I just randomly tweeted out, "Do you guys want holiday merch?" And you guys were like, yeah. So that's what I did. I made merch. This is certainly like a one-time thing because the amount of stress that this puts on, because I was so stressed to make sure that like you guys actually like what it is that I came up with. I didn't want to make anything that would have you guys out here like having to explain it, you know, like TMM, what does that mean? And then you're out here, oh, it's this YouTuber that I watch. Like, I mean, that would probably be good advertising, but you guys aren't billboards for me. So I just wanted to be stuff that, you know, like you could see in, I don't know, like Target or Pretty Little Thing, and it'd be cute, and it has enough of me in it that we still got that connection there between it, but like, you know, again, it's not you walking around with my face on your chest. So the first thing that I made is the lip swatch hoodie. It is $38.99, and get it, you know, it's a lip swatch hoodie, and it's available in different colors. If you look at the different colors, you'll notice that the lips on the chest get darker so that it actually looks like, you know, like a swatch on the lips there. So that is the first thing I have. I do have a black option because, you know, it's me, like there's got to be a black option, but obviously you couldn't do the same, you know, black face color with a black option, so it's available in white, and this is what it looks like. Look at the little face there. You've got the face, and then you've got the little lip swatchy over here. You guys will see me wearing this in videos that I've pre-filmed for a Vlogmas, but this is the lip swatch hoodie. So this is the Smooches sweater. Low-key scared to hold it up because, you know, it's full on white and I just got done doing my makeup, so my hands probably have makeup on them, but it's got my little logo in the corner. It's just a logo of, you know, a little snarl mouth that says "too much mouth" and then "got mouth" repeated on it. I'll have the logo pop up on the screen in case you can't see that. And then again on the back it says "got mouth," and that is $33.99. I have a got mouth tank top, which it just says "got mouth" now on the front with little smooches there, and that is $14.99. And the last thing I got for y'all, of course, is the phrase that you wanted on some type of merch. I just didn't want to put it on clothing because, you know, it's an evil world that we live in, and the last thing I would want is, you know, someone seeing, you know, "you won't beat my ass" on some type of like clothing that you're wearing and wanting to test you over it. You know, I'd feel bad like if that news got back to me that someone was in some type of fight over that. So I put it on phone cases. You know, if someone's all up in your phone case, like they're too close to you, they're too in your business. All right. So I did put it on phone cases. It's the YWBMA phone case, and it is $19.99. That also comes in multiple colors there because I didn't want to do everything, even though it is like a holiday launch. I didn't want to do everything, you know, like red, green, because that's a little too there. So I don't know, I put them in colors that I thought you guys would like. Of course, I don't have the actual phone case right now to show you guys. And yeah, that is it for the merch that I came out with for this launch. Shout out to the subbies who every single detail that I changed about any of these things, I got their approval, yes or no, if they liked it, what I should change, stuff like that. Basically, I just got the opinions of a smaller group of my subscribers, hoping that, you know, the larger group would agree with what they said. So I hope, so thank you to them for that. Thank you to Rachel C Makeup because she's the one who designed all this stuff, like the can, the face, the smooches, the logo, especially the logo. She is the one who did all that. I'll leave her information down below if you guys want to check her out for any graphic design that you guys may want. Oh, hello, you don't launch something this time of the year and not have a sale. So when you go to checkout, if you use this code right here, you'll get 20% off, and that is good until December 4th there. And yeah, I think that's it. I think I've told you everything that you need to know about this. I'm excited if you guys do purchase anything. First of all, thank you for supporting me, but if you do purchase anything, please tag me so I can repost it. And if I don't repost right away, it's probably because I didn't see your tag, so tag me again until I do repost it, because that's the goal, to repost each and every single person who purchases anything and tags me in a photo or whatever it is that you tag me in. Just let me know, just let me see it on you. I'm excited, I'm nervous again. Is there anything else I need to say? no, that is it. And yeah, y'all, it is live right now, so I will leave a link to it in the description down below for anyone who does want to shop. If you do shop anything, thank you once again, and please make sure that you tag me when you start receiving your orders. Very rarely is your girl at a loss for words, but she is right now, so wrap it up then, sis. Okay, this is probably gonna be the last video I upload before Thanksgiving, so for those of you who do celebrate it, I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I will see you after Thanksgiving so we could read some mean comments. That is tradition here on my channel. And yeah, that's it. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.